Assalamualaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the 13th video lecture of class 5 English. And for today's activity, we have to solve the words, meaning, and word sentences of stopping by words on a snowy evening. For the words meaning, we have the first one here, queer. It means strange. Downy means soft. Flakes means small soft pieces of snow. Harness means the leather strap that and belts used to control a horse. And for the sentences, we are given here some words in the exercise. I believe it says B1. And for B1, let me check. This one here is B1: fluff, fun, teeth, and sugar and bend. And for the solution here, it says fluffy. I'm sorry, the video is shaking. Fluffy flakes of snow are falling, and funny, this character is very funny. And for leafy, this is a very leafy garden in my house. And sugary, she speaks very sugary words. And for bendy, the kids love to use bendy straws. Now both these activities will be solved on your neat notebooks. Prepare pages accordingly with proper dates and days, margin lines, and make sure that the work is in neat handwriting. So in the next video, Allah Hafiz.